clear tone, then you'll understand why I say I think that you're clear already. So to produce a clear tone is these two things. And I'm going to have you to do it too in just a moment. Pretend you have an egg. Let me see your egg. You're like, what am I going to do with that? You're going to place that in the back of the throat. It's in there. It's almost like you're trying to see your tonsils. Amen.
Amen.
Now you hear that sound right there? You went, amen. Okay, that is what I hear with you. Your tongue is blocking. You're giving me a sound like you're swallowing your tone. Like, amen, like that. Instead of, amen, like sing towards the camera. So do that over the egg. It's just that.
Amen.
It's that me, make it more. Yeah, that was towards me that time. No, it was.
Amen.
Then go.
Sing grace.
That grace is trying to do the same thing. Sing grace.
Sing grace.
Heard it for sure on grace. So gray, go, gray.
Great. My tongue keeps wanting to go up to the roof of my mouth.
Oh, so gray. The tongue is gonna go up anyway. Yes, gray. So now go grace. That was forward. No,
Grace.
That was forward.
Grace.
Correct. The other one's like grace, like you're swallowing it. Grace.
Yes. Grace.
Correct. That was this way.
Okay. Yeah.
That makes a big difference because I hear that. So now go how over the egg.
How.
Okay, you hear how it's like it went ha, like it was scared, like just like what? I'm scared. Okay, how. Okay. All right, let's do this. Pretend you have some water. See this? Okay. Wait a minute. I better ask. Do you work out?
No, but I'm going to start working out in about 2 weeks. I just ordered a bicycle. So.
We are not talking about what we gonna do. You're like, yeah, I'm gonna start working out about 2. I've been saying that for about 2 years anyway.